Student, now we will start the type 2 of type 2 of the double integral. Type 2 is here examples on integrals when the limits are not given. See here one example. Evaluate double integral over r y dx dy over area bounded by y equal to x square and x plus y equal to 2 in the first quadrant. So we have to simplify this example. So first we have to trace the curve by using these two equations. See, the first equation is the equation of parabola and second is the equation of straight line. So we have to here identify the given equation is the parabola and how to trace the curve of parabola. See, if our equation is here, there are two types of parabolas. These are the standard equation. First is y square equal to 4ax and second is x square equal to 4ay. That means see here, in parabola, one term is the square term and other term as the power of 1. Okay, that means how to draw the curve of this parabola. See, just you have to check what is the sign of x. See, if x is positive, then it will open towards the positive x side. That means here it will open toward the positive x side. And if our x is negative, then it will open towards the negative x side. Okay, so these are the equation of parabola. If y square equal to 4x, so we have to draw this parabola. If y square equal to minus 4x, so we have to draw this parabola. Okay, after that, see the second equation, x square equal to 4ay. So again we have to check what is the power of sign of y. If our y is positive, though it will open upward of the x-axis, and if our y is here negative, then the given curve is open downward of the x-axis. Okay, so you have to remember these four curves. If y square equal to 4x, y square equal to minus 4x, x square equal to 4ay and x square equal to minus 4ay. See, in our example, what is the equation? Y equal to x square means x square equal to y is given. So first we have to write down our given equation. So equation is here, x square equal to y and x plus y equal to 2. Right? So after that we have to draw the curve here. See, x square equal to y, that means y is here positive, so the curve it will open upward of the x-axis. So this is the parabola. Okay, and see what is the next is the equation of line. So we have to find a coordinate point for this equation. See, if our x is 0, so what is y is 2. If y is 0, so what is the value of x is 2. And if x is, we have to put 1, so what is value of y is also 1. That means we have to get here coordinate 0, 2, second is 2, 0 and 1, 1. So we have to mention this coordinate on the xy axis. This is x, this is y. See, suppose this 0, 2 lies here, x is 0, y is 2, x equal to 2, y equal to 0 lies here. So this is 2, 0, this point is 0, 2, and suppose this point is here 1, 1. So we have to trace the curve. So this is the equation of line. Okay, so this is x square equal to y and this equation is here x plus y equal to 2. So this is the equation of this line and equation of this curve is x square equal to y. After that, we have to find the limit point for x as well as limit point of y. In the double integral, we have to find one limit is in the variable form and second is in the constant form. So how to form this limit? So first here we have to draw the vertical strip or horizontal strip. So you have to remember here, if we have to draw the horizontal strip parallel to x-axis, so we have to take the limit point of x is in variable form. And if we have to draw the strip in vertical, that means parallel to x-axis, so that times here we will take the limit point of y is in the variable form. Okay, see here I will draw here vertical strip for this example. See, because if we have to draw the horizontal strip, so there are two. If we have to draw here, so we get two limit points here. So this ending limit point is different. And suppose we have to draw this here, this strip. So again we have to get a different limit point, that means upper limit is different. So that's why we have to draw the one vertical strip. Okay, so that means here this is the starting point and this is the ending point of this curve. So what is there? See, this point here is lies on here. What is this equation of curve? X square equal to y, and the strip is parallel to y axis, so we have to find a limit point of y is in variable form. So there, this point is here lies on this curve x square equal to y, so y equal to x square. And see, this ending point is lies on that equation of line x plus y equal to 2. So what is the y here? Y equal to, we get 2 minus x. So these are the limit points of y. That means here we have to find limit point of this strip. The strip is parallel to y axis. So here starting point is here lies on this curve y equal to x square. So this is the limit point of y. And what is the ending point? So ending point is lies on the equation of line. So equation of line is x plus y equal to 2. So what is y? Y equal to 2 minus x. So these are the limit point of y. That means see, y varies from x square to 2 minus x. So after that we have to find a limit point of x is in constant form. So how to find here? See, this curve is passes through origin. So x equal to 0 is the lower limit point. And what is the upper limit point? See here, this intersection point is 1 comma 1. So we have to take just x coordinate. So x coordinate is 1 and here origin 0 comma 0. So what is the coordinate of x? 0 to 1. That means here x varies from 0 to 1. So these are the limit point of x and y. So after that consider the equation. Suppose I equal to integral x equal to 0 to 1 and y equal to x square to 2 minus x y dx dy. And just we have to simplify this integral. So how to simplify? See, limit point of y is in variable form. So first we have to integrating with respect to y, and x take the constant. So x equal to 0 to 1 as it is. What is integral y with respect to y is y square by 2, and limit point are here x square to x with respect to dx. So this 1/2 take the outside, and what is the remaining term? X equal to 0 to 1. So put x here, y equal to x. So this becomes x square. So sorry, here 2 minus x. So we have to write down here 2 minus x bracket square, right? And minus, put the lower limit y equal to x square. So x square square, this becomes x raised to 4 with respect to dx. After that we have to apply the result a minus b bracket square. So what is the result of a minus b square? First term square minus 2ab, so 4x, and plus b square, that means x square, and minus x raised to 4 with respect to dx. And after that we have to integrating this term with respect to x. Okay, so this half as it is. What is the integral 4 as it is? Integral 1 dx is x minus 4, integrating x is x square by 2, x square is x cube by 3, and x raised to 4 is here x raised to 5 by 5, and put the limit 0 to 1. And then we have to substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So this 1/2, first we have to put x equal to 1. So this can be 4 minus 4 by 2 is 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. And if we have to put a lower limit, so here the whole term goes to 0. And if we have to simplify this bracket, so we get the answer is here 1/2 into 32 by 15. So this 2 divided by 32, we get here 16. So answer of this example is here 16 by 15. Okay. So how to solve this? See, again I will repeat here. First you have to draw the diagram by using the given equation, because in that example limits are not given. After that we have to draw these two strips. So these are the common region of this curve, and we have to find the area in the first quadrant. So that's why we have to just consider this region on the only first quadrant. So in the first quadrant here we have to draw the vertical strip. If we have to draw the vertical strip parallel to y-axis, so we have to take the limit point of y is in variable form. So this is the starting point and this is ending point. So this point is lies on the equation of parabola. So y equal to x square, and the ending point is lies on equation of line x plus y equal to 2. So that's why we have to take y equal to 2 minus x. So these are the limit point of y. After that, how to find the limit point of x? See here, this point is 0 0 and this point is a 1 1. So here limit point of x are 0 to 1. Okay. After that, you have to put these two limit point here. Integral x equal to 0 to 1, integral y equal to x square to 2 minus x, y dx dy. After that, see limit point of y is in variable form. So first we have to integrating with respect to y. Then put upper limit minus lower limit. Simplify this. And again we have to integrating this bracket with respect to x. And then put upper limit minus lower limit. So we get the answer of this equation 16 upon 15.